Welcome back to Brundage World. It's your boy Dr. Earl.
And it's your girl Lele. And today we have a what to pack video.
That's right. So a few weeks ago, we polled our audience and asked them, where would you go to celebrate 10 years of marital bliss with your spouse, your significant other, your babe, your honeydew, and the results are in. And we're going to
Dubai! We are super excited and maybe over-prepared. Yes, we will cover everything you need to know prior to going to Dubai, especially traveling during the pandemic. If you are new to our channel, welcome.
That's right. Please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know when our very next video shows up. Up next, important documents. The most important document you have to have is a passport. Okay, we have a United States passport here. Number 2, you have to have a vaccination card with the QR code or a digital QR code approved by a healthcare provider. Then you have to produce a negative RT-PCR test or a standard PCR test if you're not vaccinated. We printed out all of our important documents, every boarding pass, every hotel reservation, every excursion, every dinner reservation that we've made. We printed out everything just in case we get there and our phone starts to glitch and doesn't work properly. We won't have an issue with having a good time. Up next, plane essentials. The most important thing you need to carry on the plane with you is an inflatable traveling pillow. Alright, you blow it up, and you can rest your arms in the center right here. And you're going to put your head right through here. And you can take a nice long nap if necessary. Some people who love to read, bring a book with you, okay? I'll probably finish this entire book before we land to Dubai. If I get tired of reading, then I'll go ahead and play some two-man spades, maybe talk with my wife, who knows, okay? For those who don't know what these are compression socks. You gotta wear some of these, okay? You wanna make sure that you don't have what's called a DVT, deep vein thrombosis, while flying for such a long time, all right? And that could travel to your lung, and then you can get a pulmonary embolism. So put you some compression socks. If you can't do that, make sure you do ankle pumps, move your ankles up and down, walk up and down the aisle of the plane as much as you can, okay? You wanna keep the blood circulating. Wear some comfortable clothes, okay? We're having some nice comfy clothes when we get on the plane because it's a long flight. Stay clean. We'll be eating about 2 or 3 meals while on this flight, so make sure you bring some wipes to wipe your hands and keep your hands clean. In addition to that, you want to bring some hand sanitizer, okay? Bring you some hand sanitizer to keep your hands clean as well. While you're sleeping, you may want to have on a sleeping mask, okay, to keep all the light from waking you up. And just in case somebody is eating and chewing too loud, you have you some earplugs to keep all of the noise out so you can enjoy your rest. Alright? These are just a few items that we came up with in addition to headphones. Alright? If you want to watch a movie, listen to some music, you're going to want some headphones. Just make sure that you bring the one that has a 2-prong so that they're compatible with Emirates Airline. Up next, what to wear in Dubai.
Alright, so we are going to the mosque in Abu Dhabi.
It's called Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque.
And let me tell you, you have to wear their traditional attire. Let me show you what I'm wearing. This is the abaya that I will be wearing. It is white, kind of plain, but it has some embroidery. It has long sleeves. It is very long, so I will be covered from head to toe. It is white. It may be see-through, so it also comes with an undergarment, which is similar to a dress. It has a hidden pocket, which I absolutely love. If I want to wear my personal belongings on me, I can store them there. It also comes with a pants to make sure I am fully covered. And it comes with a hijab, which is a headscarf that I plan on wearing to make sure that my hair is covered as well. Honey, what are you wearing?
Alright, so the Emirati men wear something called a kandura or a jistasha. Alright, so this is what I'll be wearing. It is white with a cream looking embroidery in the center here. And I have some matching shoes that I'll be wearing, matching sandals that I'll be wearing along with this attire.
Everyone that goes to Dubai goes to the desert, and we will be too. You do not have to wear traditional clothing. However, a lot of people do for photo ops. So I'll be doing that too. Let me show you. I'm wearing another abaya. This one is blue with gold embroidery. It has long sleeve. It is long, but I love this one because it is open on the bottom. So if I need to spread my legs to get onto the camel, I can do so without showing anything. It also comes with a hijab, which is blue. I'll use this to cover my head and cover my mouth if need be, but I will be wearing a mask and sunglasses. Honey, what are you wearing?
Well, you guys know we like to match. So I'll be wearing an African print shirt here in blue and gold, and it has some matching pants. Here you go. And I have to finish it off with my nice blue and gold Invicta watch.
Alright, if you're not wearing traditional clothing, you can bring out your own style. Let me show you this particular dress that I love. It's simple, but it covers the shoulders. It has long sleeve. The length is below the knees. Honey, what are you wearing to match me?
That's right. I have these nice doctor shorts here that I'll be wearing, and I have a very nice, light, breathable t-shirt to match. So if we decide to go to the mall or do something nice and leisurely, we won't be so hot.
Yeah, so women, just remember to be very modest, conservative, cover up, show off your beautiful face. You can still feel beautiful, but just cover up.
Up next, swimwear.
For the pool, you don't want to forget your hat that will shade your face from the sun, your water shoes if you don't wear flip-flops out to the pool, of course your sunglasses because of the sun glare, your swimwear. I have a two-piece tankini because I have my mommy belly, don't want to show it all. But the most important piece of item on this table is the cover-up for the ladies. Ladies, definitely bring a cover-up so you're not exposing too much flesh.
Up next, accessories. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now I'm going to talk about our accessories that we feel is necessary. We've been wearing masks so long during the COVID-19 pandemic that we consider accessories. So we like to dress nice. So guess what? These are the accessories that are going to be coming along with us, okay? Honey?
Don't forget your watches, ladies. You definitely want to look cute and match your outfits.
And fellas, same for you. I got all my Invicta watches lined up, baby. You better make sure you bring them.
Don't forget your jewelry as well and your sunglasses.
That's right, fellas. Make sure you bring your hater blockers. I got my hater blockers on.
And make sure they're polarized.
That's right.
Ladies, don't forget your purses.
And fellas, I'll be carrying around a drone. I'm gonna need a really big bag. So we got the Louis bag right here.
And ladies, don't forget your hijab. You know you have to cover your head when you're over in Dubai.
And fellas, make sure you bring your head wrap in case you decide to go to a mosque. Okay. Up next, electronics. Okay, the most important items you need to bring, especially if you're a YouTuber, alright? My favorite, the drone, okay? Second favorite, the MacBook Pro, alright? You're gonna wanna have that so that you can edit your videos. We have an iPad Pro here as well. I have my GoPro here, okay? This is the Black Hero 10 and all the accessories to help mount it on my chest or mount it on my head. Everything's here for me to use the GoPro. I have a car mount here, okay? We're gonna have a car rental and we're gonna be driving around, so I don't wanna hold a cell phone in my hand, okay? It's dangerous. Gotta have a car mount to mount your phone. All right, speaking of phones, we're gonna be bringing our iPhone 13 Pro Max, okay? Check me out. All right, we have a Canon camera here, all right, with a lens attached and also an extra lens here, right behind the iPhone, okay? We take a lot of pictures and videos. Sometimes we don't have anybody to help us, So we have a clicker here that attaches to the phone, so that if we want to take pictures, we can do so. All right, we have a lot of gadgets here to synchronize everything. If you want to play music while you're driving in the car, you're going to need this auxiliary cord so that you can listen to some music. Apple has figured out that you have to basically have a charger for every device. Okay, so this is a charger for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is the charger for the MacBook Pro. And this is my charger for my iPad Pro. Okay, and you gotta make sure you have your earbuds. Check that out. Personalized. Charlie Lay Brundage. Alright, and then you're gonna need to be able to charge your phone while you're in the car. So we have a car charger. Alright, the cigarette lighter car charger, so that we can charge the phone while we're in the car. And because we're traveling all the way to Dubai, you may need a universal adapter so that you can charge up any kind of device. You know, if you're from Europe, the UK, Australia, United States, it has an appropriate adapter for you to be able to plug and charge up your devices.
Up next, sleepwear. Alright, so for sleepwear, we are bringing 3 options. This is one option. It is a shorts set. Option 2 is a pants set for Earl and a dress set for me. And then the third option will be to wear our birthday suit. If you are a germaphobe or do not like walking bare feet, you definitely want to bring your bedroom slides. And last but not least, for the women that like to protect their hair, a satin bonnet is definitely recommended. And that's it for sleepwear.
Up next,
makeup. Where is hubby? I guess he doesn't want to be a part of this clip, but that's all right. Honestly, I really don't know how to do my own makeup. My sister always does it for every event. Shout out to Taste Pretty, but I cannot pack her in my luggage, so I am bringing these items along to help me look my best while in Dubai. So I'm bringing brushes, lip stain. To me, it's the best when you're wearing a mask. Primer setting spray, my foundation. This is setting powder. You want to bring makeup cleansing water or makeup cleansing wipes. This is my contour set. Yes, I'm going to try to do some contouring. Some eyeshadow, bronzer, and highlighters. And I will have eyelashes on already, but if they come off due to my activities, I will have backup the magnetic lashes, okay? And that's really it. And now for hair. For hair, I'm bringing my curling iron. I am bringing my flat iron. I am bringing my hair polisher. I always use it when I flat iron my hair. For some odd reason, it makes the curls or the straightness come out better. I'm bringing my curling rods. I am bringing my heating glove for when I curl my hair or flat iron it. I don't burn my fingers. I am bringing, of course, a comb and a brush. Something to pull my hair up when I'm ready for it to be in a ponytail. And my edges wrap.
Up next, Toiletries.
Alright, so let's get a little personal. If you are going on a trip, you definitely need some personal items, okay? Hope to God not. But if you are on your period, if you are a woman, you definitely will need to bring some pads. If you're into tampons, panty liners. I'm bringing my eye drops because I did have LASIK eye surgery. Do not want my eyes getting dry there. I love Sensodyne toothpaste, so I'm bringing my own. I have my interdental brushes. That's to help get the food out of my braces when we go out to eat. You definitely want to bring your deodorant. You want to bring your perfume, colognes. I'm going to get the travel kit and transfer my perfumes into that. Some lotion, vaginal wash, some facial wash. Of course, your toothbrush. I'm bringing a water pick because, again, I have braces. And these are always good to have for when you make a stain. We'll probably bring it on the plane since we're going to be wearing white a lot. So, time to go.
Up next, medication.
For medication, I'm keeping it simple. You want something for headaches. You want something in case the food over there do not sit well with your stomach. And then you want some melatonin in case you need to take a nap in between your excursions. If you take daily medication, you need to contact your doctor to get a letter of approval to bring it over there. You also want to check the health department to see what is allowed over there and what is not, because what is acceptable here in the United States may not necessarily be acceptable over there. Thank you to Bernard, thank you to JV, thank you to Ellie, thank you to Tia, and thank you to everyone else who gave us helpful tips on how to get prepared for this trip.
Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Brundage World.
Say what?
Brundage World.
Say what?
Brundage World.
Say what?
Brundage World.
Say what?
Brundage World.
And now we're going to finally pack.
If you think we're bringing a lot of clothes and shoes, we are. Depending on how long you're going to Dubai and how many excursions and reservations you may make, you're going to need a lot of clothes, especially if you're going during the very hot summer. We're going to be taking a lot of baths and changing clothes a lot, depending on where we're going.
If you are having a difficult time fitting all of your clothes in your luggage, you can purchase a space saver. These bags are awesome. They create a lot more space once it removes the air from the bag.
Make sure you stay tuned to see our upcoming vlogs. You do not want to miss our adventure in Dubai.